Yo. It only took 2 times of uninstalling and reinstalling the app, but finally got DoorDash to let me go online. Anyways, we're starting off with Earn by Time. Current rate is $17 an hour, and this first order is a Jack in the Box going 5 miles.
Hi, this is Jack in the Box. How can I help you?
Blue to your Sprite. There you go. Have a good day. Thank you.
You too. Okay, that took forever. They usually have my order within a couple seconds, but that one took almost 15 minutes. Total for that order was $13. And just got the next one. This is a Taco Bell going 7.5 miles.
Hey, are you checking in with your app to earn rewards points? There you go.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Total for that was $10. That is amazing. That was so bad, actually. And just got the next order. Oh, this is so bad. This is a Taco Bell going 7 miles.
Hi, are you checking in with your name or a 4-digit code to earn reward points today? All right, I'm just a bag for you today.
Thank you. Too. I didn't really look at the map until just now, but if you were wondering, they have another Taco Bell less than a mile away from the drop-off. Total for that order was $9. It's been like 15 minutes, but finally got the next orders. Got a stack going to the same person. This is Seize the Bagel and Mr. Maple Donuts going 5 miles. Thank you.
Yeah, have a good day.
You too. Yeah, good thing I was paying attention, because for some reason they wanted me to get the bagels first when the donuts are closer, and then the bagels, and then the drop-off. Like, that would make the most sense. No idea why they wanted me to circle back around for no reason.
Dolly?
Yeah.
There you are.
Thank you.
Have a great day.
You too. Total for that last stack was $11. And just got this next order. This is a shop and deliver for Safeway. $9 going 5 miles, 3 items. Been sitting around. Finally got the next order. This is a Starbucks going 2.5 miles. Thank you.
Thank you.
Total for that one was $9. And this next one's gonna be a Gravity Coffee going 7 miles. Okay, this is the last high mileage order I'm doing today, because it's just ridiculous.
Alrighty, there we go.
Thank you.
Yeah, of course. You have a good day.
You too. Total for that one was $9, and got this right away. This is a Starbucks going 2 miles. Thank you. Hello. For Caitlin. Just need a quick picture. You won't be in it. Thank you. Total for that order was $5 and change. Next up is a stacked Seize the Bagel. This is $13 going 3 miles. I think they just gave me another Seize the Bagel. $7 going an extra 3 miles.
Thank you. Have a good day.
time to go home. This might be a shorter video, so I'll just throw in some kitty clips. Enjoy. Anyways, current time is 9:50. Current total is like 78, but waiting on a bunch of Uber tips, so should bring it up to, I want to say close to 100. I don't know if we're going to beat that today, though. That's going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.